Hi friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. Today's topic is a self-love story in past simple tense.
A self-love story, learning to love again. John and Emma had been married for 10 years. Their life together was not perfect, but they always tried to support each other. However, as time passed, responsibilities and stress pulled them apart. John worked long hours, and Emma focused on managing their home and children. Slowly, they forgot to take care of themselves. One day, Emma looked in the mirror and realized she had lost herself. She always cared for her family, but she had forgotten to love herself. John, too, felt exhausted and distant. They both missed the happiness they once had. One evening, Emma sat with John and said, "We need to change. We give everything to others, but nothing to ourselves." John listened carefully and nodded. He understood that they both needed self-love before they could truly love each other again. Emma started reading books, taking walks, and doing things that made her happy. John, too, spent time on his hobbies and focused on his well-being. They encouraged each other to grow, and soon they found themselves laughing and enjoying life again. Their love became stronger because they learned that loving oneself was the first step to loving each other fully. From that moment, they promised to never forget themselves again. One way to show self-love is by eating good and healthy food. Healthy food gives your body energy. It makes you feel good. Eating fruits, vegetables, and drinking water is a good way to love your body. Exercise is also important. When you move your body, you become stronger. You can go for a walk. Do some yoga. Exercise helps you feel happy and relaxed. It is the good way to show self-love. Taking care of your mind is the another way of the self-love. You can do this by thinking of positive thoughts. Say nice things to yourself like, "I can do it alone," or "My thoughts are very powerful." When you believe in yourself, you feel happy inside. It is also important to rest. Sleeping well helps your body and mind. When you sleep well, your mind feels happy, calm, and delightful. Make sure you get enough sleep every night. Doing things you enjoy most is another way to self-love. When you do what you like, you show that you love yourself. Sometimes it's okay to say no. Saying no helps you to protect yourself. It is also the part of self-love. Self-love means that you are also important. You are special just the way you are. You don't need to change for anyone. Now repeat each sentence after me. Self-love is very important. It means love yourself and being kind to yourself. Take care of your body and mind by eating well, exercising, and getting enough rest. When you love yourself, you build confidence, reduce stress, and develop healthier relationships with others.
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!